So today we are going to study about trigonometry. Trigonometry literally means the measurement of sides and angles of a right-angled triangle. So trigonometry literally means measurement of sides and angle of a triangle. Mainly in trigonometry we deal with a right-angle triangle, which means its one angle is 90 degree. So we need to find the sides and angles of the triangle. So that measurement is known as trigonometry. We need to remember a thing in trigonometry, that while taking an angle, we always need to put a sign with it. If we take an angle in anti-clock order, then we need to put a positive sign with it, while when we measure it in a clockwise manner, we put a negative sign with it. So angle must be put with a sign. So for anti-clockwise, we use a positive sign, and for a clockwise we use a negative sign. Anti-clockwise is this direction and clockwise is this direction. So for anti-clockwise we'll put a positive sign and clockwise we'll put a negative sign. Now the basic trigonometric ratios we use are sine, cosine, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So we have 6 trigonometric ratios. So I'm going to tell you about each of them. So first, sine. Sine of an angle is equal to, in a right angle triangle we have a 90 degree. Suppose the angle which we are measuring is A. So we have A here, B and C. So we are measuring this angle. So it is sine A. So we are dealing about this angle. So we have 90 degree and an angle. The side containing this angle and 90 degree, or the two angles, is always taken as the base, while the other is always considered as the perpendicular. Always the angle opposite to 90 degree, the side opposite to 90 degree is always considered as hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is always opposite to, hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree, and the two angles containing side is base and the other side is known as perpendicular. So sine A is always given by perpendicular by hypotenuse. Or for easy remembrance, we can say that sine A is given by side opposite to A divided by hypotenuse. Side, we can see that the perpendicular is the side which is opposite to angle A. Opposite to angle A is a perpendicular. So sine A can also be told as side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. So this is sine A. Now another trigonometric ratio is cos A. So cos A is given by base by hypotenuse. So we can also write this as base is angle containing the angle. So we can write that side which contains the angle A divided by hypotenuse. For easy remembrance, we can remember that sine A is the side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse, and for cos A, side containing angle A divided by hypotenuse. So these are the two trigonometric ratios. Then we have tan. Tan A is given by sine A divided by cos A. So when sine A and cos A gets divided, we get tan A. Now when we divide these both, we will get that tan A is equal to perpendicular divided by base. So it can be told as side opposite to angle A divided by side containing angle A. Now for easy remembrance, we can remember tan A as side opposite to angle A divided by side containing angle A. Now for these sine A for the trigonometric ratios, let us write in terms of the side. So sine A can be written as side opposite to angle A, which is BC, divided by hypotenuse, which is AB. Cos A can be written as side containing angle A, which is AC, divided by hypotenuse is AB. And tan A can be written as side opposite to angle A, which is BC, divided by side containing angle A, so which is AC. So these are the three basic trigonometric ratios which we use. Another three are the reciprocals of these three. So for cosec A, we can tell that cosec A is the reciprocal of sine A, so it is 1 upon sine A, so it is equal to, just take the reciprocal of this, so we have AB upon BC, and for easy remembrance we can say that cosec A is equal to hypotenuse divided by side opposite to angle A. Similarly, CK is the reciprocal of cos A, so it is 1 by cos A CK is equal to 1 by cos A, which is equal to AB by AC, or which is equal to hypotenuse divided by side containing angle A. Similarly, tan A can be written as 1 by cot A can be written as 1 by tan A, which is equal to AC by BC. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. These 3 are the basic ones, so we'll use them, and these 3 are just the reciprocal of these basic ones. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios we'll be dealing with in trigonometry. So there is a shortcut for finding the trigonometric values for sine. Now these are the general or the standard values that we will use in the question. So we have 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are the standard values which we are going to use. So every question will contain these angles only, and not in between these. So for easy remembrance we can say that for sine A there's a shortcut that we'll write it in ascending order, number in ascending order. So we have 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Now divided by 4. So we have 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Now take root of these values. So we have root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 3 by 4 and root 4 by 4. Now we can write the answers of these. So we have 0 by 4 root is equal to 0, 1 by 4 root is 1 by 2, 2 by 4 it is 1 by root 2, 3 by 4 root is root 3 by 2 and root 4 by 4 is 1. So we have sine values as 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. We can learn also these values by heart, but for easy remembrance we can use the shortcut trick by writing first the number in ascending order starting from 0, then dividing all by 4, then taking the root. So we'll get easily. This is a shortcut way, but by solving problems we'll get used to the value, so we'll remember it. For now we can use this. So sine A is given by 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. For cos A we can just write this in back order. So we'll start with 1, then we'll start with root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0. So we have to just write this from the back for cos A. For tan A, we know that in the previous one I told that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So we can divide these values to get the value of tan A. So 0 by 1 gives us 0, half by 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 gives us 1 by root 3. Since both are same, we'll get 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 is root 3. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is always given by a infinity, since its value is undefined. So we'll represent it by this sign known as infinity or undefined. 1 by 0 does not exist. So now for the other one, we just need to take the reciprocal of these values. Now for cosec A, we can take the reciprocal of 0. So it will be 0 by 1. So it will be 1 by 0, which is infinity. Then 1 by 1 by 2, which will be 2. Then 1 by 1 by root 2, which will be root 2. Root 3 by 2 will be 2 by root 3. And 1 will be 1. For cos ck, we can take the reciprocal of cos a, so it will be 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and 0, 1 by 0 will be infinity. Or we can write for ck, it will be from the back of cosec. So 1, root 3 by 2, root 2, 2, and infinity. For cot a, it will be the reciprocal of tan a, so we will have infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and 1 by infinity is given by 0. Since 1 by 0 is infinity, so 1 by infinity is 0. So these are the major trigonometric values of the ratios we'll use in the question. These are the standard one. Mostly questions come from these values only. We can learn this or just make a table. We can make it using these shortcuts. So we'll get these values. We have some trigonometric properties. The first one is sine 90 minus a is always equal to cos a. We can write cos of any angle as sine 90 minus of that angle. This is a trigonometric property. The second trigonometric property is cosec 90 minus a is equal to ck. So sec of any angle can be written as cosec of 90 minus of that angle. Third, cot of 90 minus a is equal to tan a. Now we can write this as vice versa also. Sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. So cos 90 minus a is also equal to sin a. Cosec 90 minus a is equal to sec. So sec 90 minus a is equal to cosec a. Cot 90 minus a equal to tan a. So tan 90 minus a is equal to cot a. So see, these are the 6 trigonometric properties which we will use in the question. So sine and cos, they are complementary, means one angle will be equal to the 90 minus the other trigonometric ratios. So cosec and sec and cot and tan, we can learn this by heart. So we have also some other trigonometric properties, which is sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Sine square of any angle plus cos square of that angle only is equal to 1. This is a property which we'll use in the question. Also sec square a minus tan square a is also equal to 1. Sec square of any angle minus tan square of any angle is equal to 1. 6 is cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. So these 3 are also the trigonometric properties, and these 6 also. So we'll use these all in the question. We need to learn this.